In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an email campaign in Mailerlite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, review your campaign, and choose the best scheduling option so your email reaches subscribers at the perfect moment. Start by opening your browser and searching for Mailerlite. In the results, click the official Mailerlite website to reach the homepage. Once there, select Log In and sign into your account. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. Before scheduling, make sure you've completed your content and recipient steps for the campaign you want to send. When those are done, look for the prompt to continue and click Next, Review and Confirm. This summary page is where you double-check everything. Confirm that your subject line is clear and compelling, your sender name and email are correct, and your content looks exactly how you intend. If you used personalization, ensure the merge fields appear properly in the preview. This is also a great moment to skim links, images, and any call to action to ensure your message is accurate and on brand. When you're satisfied, click Next. Schedule. On the Schedule page, you'll see 4 primary options. The first is Send Now. This dispatches the campaign within a few minutes. It's useful for timely announcements or corrections. Just remember, once it begins sending, you'll have very little time to make changes, so be sure everything is final. Next is Send Later. This lets you pick a specific future date and time based on your account's time zone. It's ideal for planning ahead or coordinating with a content calendar. If your audience is in a different region, double-check your account time zone in settings so the send aligns with their day. Deliver based on time zone ensures everyone receives the email at the same local time, like 9 o'clock a.m., regardless of where they live. This helps maximize visibility during each subscriber's morning or workday. Note that this option must be scheduled at least 24 hours in advance, so plan accordingly. Finally, Smart Sending uses AI to analyze individual subscriber behavior and deliver when each person is most likely to engage. It's available on advanced plans, and it can be a powerful way to improve open and click rates if you have access to it. After choosing your preferred option and confirming the date and time, click the Schedule button. Your campaign will move to the outbox until its designated send time. From there, you can review the scheduled details and, if needed, adjust or cancel before it goes out. And that's it. Your email campaign is scheduled and ready to make an impact.